If your pergola roof panels are turning all funky colors from sun exposure, you seriously need to switch to UV-resistant panels to keep that fresh look longer. So, like, when you're picking out pergola roof panels, make sure they say UV-resistant on the label. That stuff blocks the sun's rays that cause fading and discoloration, which is basically the worst when you want your outdoor space to look nice. Also, think about panels made from polycarbonate or acrylic, since they usually have built-in UV protection. If you already got panels that are fading, try giving them a good clean with gentle soap and water. Avoid harsh chemicals that can mess up the material even more. Another tip is to add a shade cloth or retractable awning on top of your pergola for extra sun defense during the hottest parts of the day. Don't forget to check for any cracks or damages regularly, because broken spots let sunlight through and speed up discoloring. And if you're installing new panels, ask if they come with a warranty against UV damage. Some brands got your back for years. Lastly, keep in mind that light colors reflect sunlight better, so choosing lighter panels can help reduce heat buildup and fading too. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pergola roof panels discoloring is picking cheap, non-UV resistant materials because they look good at first but fade fast. The fix here is to spend a little more upfront on quality UV protected panels that last longer and save money over time. Another common issue is not cleaning the panels properly. Using harsh chemicals or scrubbing too hard can damage the surface and make discoloration worse. Just stick to mild soap and soft cloths to keep them in shape. Lastly, some folks forget to check their panels for cracks or damage regularly, which lets UV rays sneak in and cause uneven fading. Just inspect your pergola every few months and replace any damaged pieces as soon as possible. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with pergolas and outdoor upgrades. Plus, it gives contractors a solid way to connect with people looking for their skills, making it easier for everyone to get projects done right.